A cone of height 20 cm, radius 12 cm cut through the midpoint of its height parallel to base. Find the ratio of volume of upper part and lower part of the cone. Now see student, this cut through the midpoint of its height, so this will be 10 cm. This portion means height of upper part. Now see, upper part is in the form of cone, so volume will be very easy to find, and lower part we'll find out by volume of this bigger cone minus smaller cone. So first of all, let us find out radius of this upper cone using this similar triangle property. See, this bigger triangle and this smaller triangle, they are similar because this is 90, this is 90 and this is parallel. So these are corresponding angles. So these two triangles are similar. So we can give the names A, B, C and this D, E. So the ratios will be equal. This 10 upon this, suppose this radius is x. 10 upon x will be this 20 upon 12. This 20 upon 12 and 10 upon x. Proportional sides are equal. 0 cancel. So x is equal to 12 upon 2. So x is 6 centimeter. Radius of this upper cone. So we can write here 6 centimeter. Now let us find the volumes. Volume of this upper part means smaller cone. It is in the form of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Radius 6 and height of this cone is 10. So let us denote this upper part by VU. VU means upper part. So this is cancelled. The finally this will come 120 pi centimeter cube. So volume of upper part is 120 pi centimeter cube. Now let us find out the volume of lower part of this cone. Volume of lower part is volume of bigger cone minus volume of smaller cone. One upon 3 pi r square capital and capital H. This is small for smaller cone. 1 upon 3 pi common. So r square h minus r square h. Capital R and capital H means 12 square into height 20 minus small r small h, so it is 6 square into 10. Separate from this one, 2520 cancel by 3. So let us suppose this volume of lower part VL, it is coming 840 pi. So the ratio VU upon VL means volume of upper part, lower part 120 pi and this is 840 pi. This pi cancel and this is coming 12 7 84, 1 upon 7. Ratio of upper part and lower part 1:7.